Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I mean, it definitely still looks to me like an A, a B, and then we need to go down for a wave C. Kind of looks like a potential wave one, wave two, and then potentially up for a big old wave three. This is the daily time frame, so obviously that's all going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So we have non-farm payroll news today for the dollar, but that will affect the yen pairs also. So if we get a nice bounce, especially if we get like a double top and then a bounce and a break of structure, then that is where I would try to go short is after the break of structure. Really, I would like to go short after the break of structure, then after the pullback that would come after the break of structure, because that would give you a much safer entry to go short for potentially the continuation down for a wave C. Now, for me personally, I definitely would want to see this break of structure to go short because there's also a chance because the higher time frames are all in an uptrend that this just keeps on going up and up and up and up, which is why I always preach that the trend is your friend, and it definitely is. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.